What's up, YouTube? This is the Air Jordan 8 in the Tinker Red colorway. It's a GS size shoe. It's available on StockX. It's pretty cool. Pretty classic Jordan silhouette and a very cool colorway, if you ask me. Check it out in the link in the description. It's a StockX affiliate marketing link. Jordan 8s are pretty cool. I'm going to show you both shoes here. Quick little sneaker unboxing and outlet find for you. The tongue has a very interesting little material here, makes it nice and soft. Check out these bottoms right here. Pretty awesome pair of shoes if you ask me. I got a crazy deal on these. I paid $109 Canadian, 30% off. Super cheap. Nice little Jordan box. Anyway, if you like the shoes and you want them for someone you know, or you want them for yourself, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them on StockX. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.